Hi everyone, my name is Adam Cosmos, the founder of Website School and also Sir Cosmos World. This is me here on the screen. Today I'll be showing you how to resolve missing header menu issues in WordPress website. So after watching this video to the end, you'll be able to resolve issues of missing header menu in your WordPress website. But before we start, please hit the subscription button below and also like my channel so you get notification when I post a new video. Let's get started. To resolve these issues, let's log into our website. And as you can see, now this is our home page. Wait for it to load. Now this is our home page, as you can see on the screen. But this home page or this website doesn't display the header menu. The header menu is missing. Now for us to be able to resolve this, all we need to do is let's go to edit page. Try to edit this page. Please, if you have to subscribe to my channel, kindly do that now before we go into steps. Now we are in page we want to edit, and this is our home page. In order to resolve the missing header issues, all you need to do is to go to your settings and go to page layout and select default, then update, and our page is updated. Let's refresh this to see if our changes have taken place. It's actually taking time. As you can see, we've actually resolved the issue of the missing header menu. Here we can see our home page, contact us page, about us, and blog. Let's go to the contact us page and see if we can be able to resolve issues. Let's log into our website, website school.xyz. And now as you can see for our home page, we've actually resolved the issue of the missing header. Now let's go to the contact us page and see if we have same issues. As you can see, we have same issues. To resolve that, go to the edit page and wait for it while the page loads. So once you are in the edit section, go to your setting, page layout, and click on default. Update this and refresh the page. Wait for it. Fantastic, fantastic. As you can see, we've actually resolved the issue of missing header here on this page. So basically, this is how you can be able to resolve issues of missing header. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notification when I post new videos.